All right, welcome back. Ohaneze sends message to Buhari about Attahiru's replacement, tells him to appoint a Southern COAS Chief of Army Staff. All right, the news in details. Ohaneze Indigbo has sent a message to President Muhammadu Buhari concerning the position of the Chief of Army Staff, which is now vacant following the death of Lieutenant General Ibrahim Attahiru. Ohaneze Indigbo asked President Buhari to use this opportunity to right the injustice against the Southeast region. In a statement which was made by the Secretary General of Ohaneze Indigbo, Mazi Okechukwu Isiguzoro, he said that this does not mean the Southeast is lobbying for the position of the Chief of Army Staff, but that the President should make use of this opportunity to reverse the wrongs against the Southeast region. He said that while it is understood that the president has the sole responsibility to appoint any officer of his choice, he must focus on competence and nationalism in accordance with the tenets of federal character, stressing that the exclusion of Southeast from the security architecture of the country will only fuel disintegration. He said that they are not lobbying for the appointment of the Chief of Army Staff, but they are drawing the attention of the President to make use of this opportunity to reverse the suspicion that he is biased against having someone from the Southeast to lead the army. He said that every geopolitical zone needs to be represented in the security architecture of the country to boost national reintegration and then restore confidence among Nigerians that the president belongs to nobody but to everybody. Isiguzoro expressed confidence that only someone from the southeast would break through the cabal, siphoning a reasonable budgetary allocation set aside for security and recycling insurgency. He said that if President Buhari is determined to end the insecurity challenges currently facing the current country, he should break the spell and then shock those people who are mounting pressure on him to ignore the Southeast and then appoint another Northerner as the Chief of Army Staff. He said that the way the president can prove that he is the people's president is for him to appoint a Southerner as the next Chief of Army Staff. The Chief of Staff Ibrahim Attahiru lost his life on Friday alongside 10 other officers in a plane crash that occurred at the Kaduna International Airport shortly after his burial on Saturday. Discussions had already begun in some quarters about his position replacement. All right, and then majority of people have actually reacted onto this, and then though some have said that it is too early to talk about his replacement as the country is still mourning the loss of the officers. Others have also said that it is necessary to find a replacement for the late Chief of Army Staff as soon as possible to sustain the tempo of the fight against the insurgents in the northeast and then also boost the morale of the troops at the front line. The Ohaneze Indigbo wants the president to utilize this opportunity and then appoint a southeast person as Attahiru's successor, as they opined that the appointment will give the southeast people a sense of belonging. All right, and then as it is, Army Chief Ibrahim Attahiru asked House Committee to invite Buratai to account for looted arms fund. All right, and that has been said before now. Well, what do you have to say about this message from the Ohaneze Indigbo to the president, considering Attahiru's successor. All right, and then the question has been asked that do you think the president should pick an officer from the southeast as the next chief of army staff? As you share your thoughts with us and in this place, well, share the article, share, and so that others can benefit from your contribution too. All right, my people, and that has been it on this one. You see, this is what we are talking about. All right, and then majority of people actually know what is going on in the presidency, but someone is saying that I am surprised that the Ohaneze is talking in this manner. Have you forgotten that this set of Fulani own the country? Have you forgotten that they have plans? That is why they have been able to put themselves on every position. Just check out all the top positions in the country. You see that it's a Fulani man that has been handling it. Well, somebody has said that, well, there's nothing God cannot do. God cannot touch the art of the presidency, because now the presidency now is now more popular than the president himself. Everybody will say the presidency. Any little thing, you say the presidency. Who are the presidency? The president. Oh my goodness. Well, the fact remains that everyone knows what is going on. But for the Ohaneze to have said this is another serious one. Well, we don't know. God can do anything. Anything can happen. Because majority of people have been like, this regime is for the Fulanis. In fact, it's for the Fulani Caliphate. Then if you see some few Southerners and, some few Southerners in their midst, then you know that it might not be a serious position. Somebody say that forget it. All these Southerners that they are putting in the position to back them up is just like a subordinate, so that it won't sound as if nobody is there, that they are not sending you people. That the Ohaneze should have been wiser right now, that they should know that this set of people, as it is, they don't love you. And then don't just try to whine yourself. According to one of our friends, say, why say you didn't whine yourself, ne? Why you didn't whine yourself, ne? All right. Well, majority of things are actually been said onto this one, but our prayer is that the good Lord will touch the heart of the leaders, because we don't know what can happen in the next minute. Yes, we don't know, anything can happen, where the prayer of the people can be answered in no time. You know what that means? Okay. Well, somebody saying here that well, my brother, you better face your face. Just pray to God to keep protecting you, because this side of people know what they are doing. Yes, so that is why you can never even go against them. Yes, you can't say something. When they even see that one of their own is bad, they are still ready to support, to package that person, to tell you that when this person did this thing, then he was a novice. Yes. Or they will tell you that no, they have not repented. My brother, that has been it on this one. Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates. Thanks and God bless.